short shadows, long shadows. What makes your shadows get big and little? Our shadows work with us. They jump with us, but they turn in ways that we do not. That makes shadows. When that hits you, a shadow falls. Your shadows can be long or short. What makes this happen? When light changes, shadows do too. Light from the sun changes all day. When you wake up, the sun is low. It makes a long shadow. When you eat lunch, the sun is way up in the sky. Now, the sun makes short shadows. The sun looks like it moves, but it does not. Earth does. How Earth moves. Sun, Earth, morning shadow. Sun, Earth, noon shadow. Sun, Earth, afternoon shadow. All day and night, Earth spins. That makes the sun look like it is going up and down. In the afternoon, the sun gets lower again. Look at these shadows. Which would you see in a late afternoon? When will your shadow be very long? How could you get your shadow to be in back of you? Go out in the sun and check.